Hello and welcome to the free AI tech training for kids. You might just be wondering who I am. My name is Lawal Oluwatimilehin. I'm a software developer with over 8 years of experience building enterprise solution, building apps, websites for companies in Nigeria, in the UK, in Canada. Just in case you have a website or you have an app you want to build, you can send me a DM. For this virtual course, we did a lot of file sharing, code sharing, prompt sharing, and we leveraged on FaxMe. FaxMe it's a website where you can share documents, share text messages, chat group of people anonymously, securely on a group where you can just share files together. So we leverage on FaxMe for this course. For this course, we'll be leveraging a lot on AI. But there are some basic concepts I would like to teach you so that it will make the course very easy and easy for you to understand. The first concept I would like to teach us is HTML. When building a website, HTML is like the structures and the pillars and the columns that you see. That is having a website without any design and without any styling. So just imagine a building as shown in this picture, not having any design or partition in between it. Then we have CSS. CSS is what adds the color, the feel. After which we have JavaScript. JavaScript can be seen as adding the lights, the automated gates, the alarm system, the ring, the bells, the automated car. Then the last concept I will also want to add is the concept of Bootstrap. Bootstrap is, you can see it as having members of the building already and you are simply just putting them together to make something sensible. You get this, right? Another concept I would like you to know is the concept of prompts. Prompts are like instructions, words we type that we can tell to an AI such that the AI can perform an action. So there are good prompts and there are bad prompts. An example of a bad prompt is to say, AI, build me a website. This is too vague and gives room for a lot of unnecessary details. But a good prompt is an example of saying, create a website for me, a business website using HTML, like we explained initially, CSS, Bootstrap, and JavaScript. Then you can decide to add other things like, add an hero page, add a service page, testimonial pricing, a contact form, and use modern colors and ask it to put everything in one single file. That is an example of a good prompt. We'll be going straight away to practice. And the first thing we are going to be building is building a web game using AI. So here's a prompt for a game, right? A web game built with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. It's a Tetris game. It's a game that we are used to. Now, this will normally take a developer a very long time to come up with this game, several weeks, but this was done in seconds. The prompt for this game has been shared with us, including the file that was generated. See the game on the right hand side. We used Claude for the development of this game, and you can play it just like every other game. The next thing we are going to be doing soon is to download it and then view it on our PC and play the game. Can you see it? Yeah. So here I shared the code base, the code that was written by the AI. See how long it is. Very long line of code that requires meticulous and it would have required a lot of time to be meticulous to write something like this and a lot of time to write it, but with AI we can build this in seconds. Next we'll be building a website for a bakery by just writing short prompts, and you will see the prompt here and just describing the same prompt I used as an example for a good prompt at the beginning, yeah, the AI then thinks about it and writes the code and develops a website for us. You can see it. Yes, that's the website, that's the prompt, and it does this in seconds. This would have taken engineers weeks of programming. In fact, this the AI wrote about 1000 plus lines of code to make this happen and created the file for us. Can you see it? Yeah. So in this course, we'll be sharing all the things needed for this. The simple prompt is in your handbook and everything you need to also practice on your own side. Please do well to do your assignment, which has been sent to you, and thank you for watching. Have a lovely time. Bye.